Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to buy and sell Bitcoin on Binance. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not any mistakes. So all we need is open Binance in browser. There are several ways to buy Bitcoin. Consider the first one. Click Buy Crypto, enter your currency, for example Euro, and select Bitcoin. Then we enter the amount in euros and see how many bitcoins we will receive. But not in all currencies this can be done. You can also sell Bitcoin on this page. Click Sell and select Bitcoin first and then the currency. This method is for beginners and it is very simple. Always check if it is profitable for you. Moving on to the second method, click Trade and Spot. We are looking for Bitcoin to the currency that you have on your wallet. For example, USDT. In the left part we can buy Bitcoin, enter the required amount and click Buy. Here you can also sell Bitcoin. In the right part enter the sale price and amount. Click Sell. If your price differs from the market, then the transaction will be completed only when the prices match. And there is another way, click Trade and P2P. Select Bitcoin and the currency you want to buy it, for example the dollar. On this page we are shown real sellers and their offer with prices, their terms and reviews. If everything suits you, click Buy Bitcoin and enter the required amount. Before making a deal, be sure to read the seller's requirements and his percentage of successful transactions. Work only with those who have more than 90%. Then click Buy, transfer the money to the seller, and after checking it, he will send you Bitcoin to your wallet. In the same way, you can sell Bitcoin, click Sell and see the offers. Also check everything and then make a deal. Always be careful in P2P because there are scammers here. That's all. All this can also be repeated on the phone. Also watch my other videos about Binance at the link in description and you will learn a lot. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye, have a nice day.